Steve, Zulu Lima 1 Alpha Charlie Echo, New Zealand. Steve de Echo Alpha 8 Alpha Mike, QSL?
Yeah, QSL, Luciano, Echo, Alpha 8, Alpha Mexico, ZL1 Alpha Charlie Echo returning. You are picking 10 dB over S9, Luciano. You have the strongest signal on the 10 meter band this morning. Your station is working fantastic, and this is a great. Echo Alpha 8 America and Mike, ZL1 Alpha Charlie Echo, over.
Okay, the Zulu Lima 1 Alpha Charlie Echo, Steve, your signal report is that 20 dB over 9 in 10 meters is a booming signal in Canary Islands. Steve, congratulations. Steve, QSL?
Yeah, thank you for the nice report. Just running 6 to 700 watts of Luciano with my 6-element mono band Yagi, and just a small ICOM 7300 this morning. Okay, all the very best. Good evening to you. Maybe see you tomorrow. Enjoy your Easter, Luciano. Echo Alpha 8 Alpha Mike, ZL1ACE. Fantastic signal. Biggest signal on 10 meters today. Thank you.
Okay, Steve, thank you for the contacts. Happy Easter. Fantastic signal in Canary Islands. 73, all the best, Steve.
Bye-bye, Luciano. Thank you.
Ciao, 73.